There's only one thing that is on my mind. After the reggae, play the blues. So.
Blues.
Even your boo is got it.
Boo.
Enjoy yourself, baby boo.
Boo.
At a boo. Share the juice.
Juice.
As far as they pay. Every pop jumping.
Keep it.
Like, okay. Good morning to you. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Wait. Not they just see. Don't be disrespectful. You understand? You hold everybody explanation. Everybody now you owe explanation. You cannot come and be greeting people. You understand? Not be so. So please, first apology. Secondly, explanation. Then thirdly, welcome everybody.
Tell me one as I go do.
Apology.
On behalf of me, myself, and I, Maiwa Lambert, the party of the party body, I am saying I'm very sorry concerning the event.
No, wait. You apologize in a proud way. You understand? You don't apologize like this. Apologize where? You understand me? Where? Face them now. Good girl.
Sorry.
So,
I didn't really mean this thing. You understand?
So,
it's just that the things beyond your comprehension. Things beyond your ability to curtail. You understand? Your inability to accept the national occurrence that will not make you to perform in your regular duties.
Hey!
You understand?
No be apology for this one, no.
Now waiting
you are just giving a statement in police station.
Now waiting happened yesterday.
Okay.
You understand? So I'm very sorry for my incompetence in my national duty to fulfill my appearance on the show.
Yes, continue.
So I'm very sorry, make una no verse. You have to forgive me from the inner carcass of your thinking faculty that is close to your heart.
In the innuendo.
Understand?
They give you innuendo.
Innuendo.
Exactly. So, apology. What do you mean the second one I talk again?
I don't know.
So you are not even following my statement. It confused me.
My English confused you.
The English
my guy feedback.
So,
the English confused you. No best.
Explain to them now. So the first apology will be now explain to them the reason for the disappearance.
Yes. You see that yesterday.
Friday, Monday.
Friday.
Friday, Monday.
Friday, I did 1 week break, 1 day break on Friday.
Okay.
That will happen.
Okay.
That Monday on. You see, there's this thing, natural occurrence.
Cut and short. It's not what you do.
No, first, no, I go cut
this thing.
See, you get this thing will be natural occurrence. You understand? When you chop some kinds, when you do all right. So the solidity of the thing now become a watery motion. You understand? So you not go feel whole lot.
Okay, you don't do.
Okay, man, let's play again.
Oh, yeah, welcome them because I just think of beans and bread.
You understand?
As you talk that thing, I think of water
beans. If I stay for this show, I go just.
Oh yeah, you don't do. You don't do. So actually, there was a closeness to the place of dissipation.
Yes.
Okay.
The disparity of the thing was in a watery form.
Oh, hey, am I?
No verse. Welcome to the show. Thank you for your forgiveness. May God forgive you to thank you.
May God do it.
Forgive you too.
Okay, so we're going to go break now. Come, I'm not going to be serious for that back. No, you talk prophecy here without laughter. We'll go break now. What's happen?
Now, show.
Is it your show?
Is it your break?
Is it your show?
Is it your break?
Thank you very much. We are going to break now. We'll come back.
Talk to us with courtesy.
Please, with respect.
Yes.
And vigor.
According to our dressing, what's wrong with you? It's so easy to buy jeans. You know how much they say stock for market.
See glass, you know how much Versace?
What's wrong with you?
Don't worry you.
Please talk to us with respect.
Please comport yourself and respect us to respect you.
Yeah.
God will respect you too.
So, go break.
Stop. Us anyhow. All right.
What? Snake in the monkey shadow. No, you're too fast.
No, the one I do na Matrix. You do Jet Li. Jet Li 09, they do that one.
You know, say this one where we just talk now, we get one particular village for inside Chinese. Everybody for inside there, for Chinese village there. The name of the place is Jiangxingdong.
Jiangxingdong.
That village, everybody where they there sabi fight kung fu. when I say everybody, I mean everybody for that village sabi fight kung fu.
Naturally.
Naturally. You understand? Now culture way then they always do. So when they come ask them, say, okay, how this one, see my head they raise, drop this thing. Sure. They spoil my fine guess what? Sorry. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry, thank you. Don't do right. When they come ask them, say, how this thing take happen? Now two sides to the story because they say don't say where it don't be because this is don't they gain recognition for inside the world place for the worldwide thing because people can't they go there now to go see them they do
wow for the full village.
Now they ask say how it take happen they get two different stories. The first people they talk say wild animals they always come attack them that year so then they can't employ the head of the youths can't say we go find person who go teach us kung fu so they can't get all the big youths maybe like the first sons of each family we go teach them kung fu that one will come go back go teach in people so they can't come out with styles like you know dragon style they imitate dragon style snake style leopard guinea fowl
then drunken master
snake in the monkey shadow you understand all those kind of things there so they can't now them invent them those ones go back house go teach their family members now so as then they born you as you they grow, you they learn
family to family.
They fight with different things, with stick or with a fist, or they do Now one story with that. The second one, they say their village, the neighboring village, they always come harass them. Now they come bring one kung fu martial arts person, may come teach them. So now everybody there now come they learn. But the guys now don't they turn big boys and so they don't they go city, go walk. So now they don't they encourage even women. Make them they learn this thing so that they go keep the tradition alive. Now the thing don't turn to like tourist something. You understand? So everybody for there now. For bad, the two of us go we for don't beat ourselves scatter for you.
I forget. If not that
because when I want to tell you so you are mad, I just do you understand?
But that kind of village, you will be visitor for that village. Not go find trouble. Not go find trouble. As you just enter the village, you maybe you go thief. Oh no. The way small children go take beat you.
If they want greet each other now. They don't give themselves like 59 slap. Give they'll come greet.
They can't say welcome. But anyway, it's a religion. I say religion. Culture.
It's a culture. It's a tradition.
I say you get one place where I'm not for Nigeria, I've been for where if man visits you for your house, you go give her your wife as.
Now tradition. Old this in a particular culture, thief people them. Old culture with them.
But they know they do them again.
No, I don't think so. They don't. Oh, but read your story.
The way we go to the visit. How far now? I come yesterday. I forget my wallet.
No, come my house. No need.
The way I go to the visit.
Stay your house.
What be the culture? For us, the culture. Maybe they send for us for Twitter.
Weird cultures.
Weird culture. We una know. Muna send that to us on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. All right, me? All right. So now, for my own story, this is a touching heart story. Because we're always happy when they hear say person don't born Pekin and they see Pekin.
Yeah.
You understand? This particular woman, Mercedes Casanelas, she born, but when she just born Pekin finish, and for Obodo happen. She born finish, Dr. Congo switch her Pekin.
Oh no.
Carry her newborn Pekin, come out, Congo bring another Pekin way black. We almost get dark complexion skin. Come put her near the woman. When the woman come wake up, like you know, say women they know this thing.
Of course.
He said, "No, my Pekin be this."
They know their children, even if now 1 day old Pekin, mama we born am know.
But at the end of the day, now the Pekin don't grow with her. But police now don't come catch the doctor. El Salvador, now the doctor name. They don't catch the doctor. As police grab the doctor now, the woman just vex come. She just know the day they come arrest the man, and she just show, block the guy, say, "Where is my son?" You understand? She dey vex, say, "Where my Pekin dey? Where my Pekin dey? You just come carry my Pekin come out like where my Pekin dey?" She say, but as it be like this now, she believes say they don't sell the Pekin go people they when they traffic children there. But this one where they replace her Pekin with,
the black boy.
Say she go raise her more. They don't even give her name Jacob.
Be like she even they breastfeed the Pekin.
She dey breastfeed the Pekin. The chicken like I said, now she born the Pekin.
She
and her
like
husband. She say she love the Pekin.
Of course.
But she go also like to see her biological Pekin. Say if they fit see the Pekin, say she go raise the two of them together.
This one no go fit talk who in give Pekin.
They don't say that they sell and give buyer. Buyer you just baffle, you just take off, you just miss. So you know if you trace who to who, because sometimes na secrecy they do, na coded thing. So sometimes you don't even know the end of the whole matter like that. I beg our doctors them. When they watch this show like this, or person we know, I beg.
Even nurses, midwives, all of na
all in the name of say poverty, money not there and everything. May we no go they do the wrong thing. We go make God punish us. I beg. Because like this issue of burning picking are bad. That's not full wickedness. You just come up person picking for your hand.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Carry and give another person.
After 9 months of serious wahala, you just come and just end it. No. Given God said the look said go punish. I beg.
We have to go first a break. You know, say these people they don't get respect. That's why they go just talk for your ear. Break. Now break. So take the break.
So actually for now, we will just go break.
Alright, okay. Back to Yan Mbok. We still there on top this Chinese matter.
Yahoo!
Yes, because for inside Japan, there's this set of women. Then they call them KBG84. KBG84. This particular group, na group of old women. In fact, the youngest of them, na 84 years old.
Child.
Yes, 84 years old woman. Na group of 33. Some they dance. Some they sing.
Child.
You understand? So then talk to them, they do them for fun, no. They do them as old people association. But before you know it happen, everybody they call. In fact, they just come back from tour. From tour where they do for all inside chapter.
See them now.
See them.
Yeah.
This group, you know, if you never old, if you never begin 80 something, you know if you join this group.
Oh boy.
Then the woman talk say, say when they go perform for places, see the way people they happy, say they make them sing out their heart, then they do it with joy. And they tell you this thing. She said, the one said, look, I they look after my health, I they clean my house, I they farm my farm, I they do my rice,
they can't go for
I they stay there, I can't go for Riaza. I tell you, dancing grannies.
Oh, dancing grannies.
Yeah.
33 of them.
Yeah.
97 years old, say this side. The oldest member, 97 years old, and the average age now 84.
Yes, you can't know what they happen. Be say when they go perform, if you go backstage, you go to see things like temperature checker, all those when they take that temperature, you're the sitting like walking stick,
ambulance,
you're the sitting like teeth. You understand? Because
just in case, just in
because anything happen. Nothing they ever happen to them.
You say, oh, Shakiti, Bobo, yeah, but you see somebody going to forget.
And now,
somebody forget. They say, BC, 10.
But it is so cute.
But a good thing. I mean, your old age, we take out to do things.
Yeah.
Mama and papa, the way they watch, like nothing go do their own. You understand? Only say for this part of the world, there. You know, our old mama and papa they do. They go join prayer group. A prayer group. They like. You can't they pray for the children.
Oh, but once they done the 50, 55, you go to hear. Oh, Jimmy, this my eyes. They go begin find glass. Nothing to their eye, but they just feel say if they begin use glass, now you go respect them. Say yes.
Exactly.
Under this staircase, you go to hear. Don't you know I'm old?
But this story is sweet. It's
amazing gist.
Okay, now for that Delta State, Delta, my peoples and every. One bros, oil worker. Money plenty.
Too much money.
Too much money. Now you say, okay, one babe to go group for hotel not go reach. Make I carry like 2 chicks go hotel go group. As you reach your hotel, poor. Now only God know what happen inside that room. Cleaners the next day just come, say me they come clean room. The other find say, oh, worker don't die. The 2 ladies they don't pianti, they don't move, they don't took off. They have vanished in the area. So now question: what do Oga oil worker? We can't die for inside a hotel room, and the 2 ladies that we follow and enter inside the hotel, they're not see 2 of them again. So police started not up the matter, and we go know how far. But to me, foul play they involved for this thing. Foul play. If he said the guy go to form champion, I know I can be what I want to be. If I walk on I'll be where I want to be. Now from there, he baffle, he off.
Or Ogbolo, if he say the guy carry some kind of cash, and the girl say, hey. See money
off him,
and we go. Maybe they don't mean to buy him. the thing just went out of hand.
Out of hand.
Or they mean to buy him. It can
so
be
now different thing. Or the guy said try to do Superman. So one of the
can be one of the various options.
Exactly. So we don't help police now give different options just in case. But not be good gist at all.
But those girls, good luck to now find them because those kind of people they get specific place where then they stay.
No, this is ministry. Now work, now hustle now. They go pium. Why say mama they say pium? You move from area to area with complementary car.
This one Nari after the reggae play the blues.
Nari one no. Nari one. But anyway, Oga sorry, when your soul rest in peace, you go answer the remaining for heaven. How you go be if you approach for heaven? Where are you coming from?
I can't really explain. Can I see you in private?
Now me and two. Not even one.
Don't talk about it.
Okay, don't talk about the dead like that. So it's very wrong. Sorry, sir. Okay, so we'll go for laugh the laugh now. We come up for laugh the laugh and we'll enter into a closing. It's not by size.
It's not by size.
It's not by size.
It's by the power that you have.
Seriously, not by size.
It's not by size.
You understand? So, well, anyway.
Ogbolo, don't do this thing now.
You don't take, Joe.
Oh.
You don't take.
So, let me go pick this paper, Joe.
Ladies and gentlemen, for here now, go take social media now.
Twitter at Wazobia Padi, Instagram Mayowa Lambe at Ogbolo, and youtube.com/Padi.
Happy belated birthday to Eno, Bash, or Mr. Ogo, and of course today na Lolo One son. Lolo One son birthday.
So like name of spare part
happy birthday to them. We go see you tomorrow. We love you. We love you. And we go see you tomorrow. We gonna get better deal. Play the blue. If you know, just enjoy the video they wanna just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.